Okay, so how this thing works is this. Press your selection. Coke or Coke Zero. Ugh. Or Fanta, or should it be some water? Or iced tea, or some Sprite, whatever you want. Select, put in your money, or better, put in the money first, make sure you get some credit on it, and then select. And by the way, who remembers these old school ATMs? Sorry, vending machines, I keep saying ATMs. This is here in the middle of nowhere. You might as well think you're in Japan, but you're not. It's here in the middle of nowhere. Bam, and there it is. And it is very cold. Nice.